You ain't no better like me, you ain't classy like me, you ain't savage like me, no. And no, you ain't no better like me, you ain't classy like me. Hey Candy Dolls, it's your girl Candy Cocaine, and yes, I am back with another video. As you can tell from the title of this video, you guys are going to be watching me mix my Halloween collection, as well as fill in the tubes. So if you would like to see me wrist work, then please continue to watch. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe. Hey, go and do it right now. Just like, comment, yeah. But anyways, yes, so if you would like to watch me work, then let's just jump right into this video. And please excuse whatever noise that you may hear in the background. I'm at my mother's house recording this video with my daughter and my mom. So yeah, let's get into it. In this part right here, I'm just checking the consistency of the gloss, and then I'm going to be adding in the yellow pigment. Okay. All of my syringes come like this, and I open them up. Take this top off. I've already cut my pipette at the top, and in the end, I just basically just slide it on there and push it down and make sure it's tight. I do all of them like that. And then I pull out the back, and how we gonna fill it up. Sometimes I do it like this, and sometimes I don't, y'all, because this is so messy. Sometimes I just suck it up through I'll show you. I'll suck it up through the bottom before I put the pipette on. Sometimes I like to just take a napkin and wipe that excess off. push it in. In this clip, I'm showing you the other method that I like to use. And this is the one without putting the pipette on first. I usually like to scoop all the product to one side to help make it easier to suction up the product. You'll also see in this clip where I would suck some up and then let it back out, because you don't want any bubbles when doing this. So to get rid of the bubbles, you have to push it back down, you have to push the product out, and then pull it back up again. But you guys, just look at this color. Like, isn't it just beautiful? I had to add this to the Halloween collection. I hope you guys enjoy it. Right here, you guys, you see me taking a napkin, just wiping away the excess product so that the pipette can fit on without any issues. Because I don't tape it down to secure it, I just slide it right on in there, just like that. I'm going to fast forward. So now all of our syringes have been filled, and we are now ready to fill in our lip gloss tubes. So you guys, listen. I had the hardest time trying to fill up these little lollipop tubes. Like, it was so frustrating. It was hard to push the syringe down, for one, and the only way to get the most product in was to hold the syringe straight up and down and set the tube on the table and push down to fill it up to get the maximum amount of product. It was a struggle, you guys. It was a struggle. Your girl was struggling. In this clip, you guys, you see my daughter is filling up our squeeze tubes. The lip gloss portion of the business is basically hers. She is such a great help. She is 11 years old and is a boss already. Yes, sis, start them early. But she is such a great help, especially when it comes to the combinations of the colors and which flavor goes to what. Like, she is such a big help, and I am so proud of her, you guys. As you guys can see, she was struggling a little bit, so I decided to jump in and help her out. Like, she was struggling. My poor baby. And there you have it, you guys. This is our Halloween gloss collection. It is available now on our website. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys in the next one.